Even amid these times of crisis when the whole country is in the grip of deadly coronavirus, the picture of a unified and a secular India is still shining in full vigor. For the last couple of months, many NGOs, institutions, organizations and individuals have come forward to contribute their own bit to help the country tackle the problems that virus has caused. One such example is Mumbai's 17-year-old Zakir Hussain, who has spent all his savings to distribute PPE kits, sanitizers and food to all those who are in need. Zakir had collected around 15,000 rupees in a span of 1.5 years, which he spent on getting essentials for the needy. He decided to help those in need when he saw many people suffering due to the pandemic. Zakir then told his father to purchase PPE kits for the needy and gave up his savings in the blink of an eye. Gaining recognition for his good deeds and selfless service, Zakir was recently chosen as the president of Rotaract Club Mumbai, thus becoming the youngest president of the organization.
मैं सेव करते आ रहा हूँ पैसे डेढ़ साल से और फिर ये सिचुएशन देख के मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे है ना सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ अच्छा करना चाहिए। तो मैंने किया। तो जब कोरोना वायरस जब शुरू हुआ था तब मुझे लगा था कि ये जो मिडिल मिडिल जो वर्कर्स और वो सब है उनका क्या हाल होगा। तो मैंने सोचा कि हम लोग कुक्ड फूड उनके घर तक पहुंचा सकते हैं और हमने वो किया और मैंने अपने जेब से वो पैसे खर्च किए थे और साथ साथ मेरे कुछ दोस्तों जो भी थे वो भी इन्वॉल्व हो गए थे।
Another example is Sion Friends Circle, who is coming forward to help the needy and the deprived amid the COVID-19 crisis. Based in Mumbai, this NGO has been distributing books, stationery items and food to students of the slum area with a motive to encourage children to continue with their studies despite schools being closed because of the pandemic. The members of Sion get dressed up as cartoon characters like Mickey Mouse, elephants and others while distributing the items among the children so as to put a smile on their faces.
हम लोगों ने खास आज ये प्रक्रिया शुरू की कि पिछले 70 से 80 दिनों में कोरोना का न्यूज़ देखते देखते कोरोना के बारे में सुनते सुनते बच्चे लगभग भयभीत हो चुके और बोर भी हो चुके। तो साइंस फ्रेंड सर्कल की ये मुहिम थी कि बच्चों को जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है, ये डोरेमोन, मिक्की माउस, खरगोश, एलिफेंट जैसे चीज़ों जो हमारे सदस्य बनकर इनके बीच आए और इनके पढ़ने लिखने वाली चीज़ें उनको बांटा है।
It is due to people and organizations like these that India is standing above the religious lines and is turning out to be united and rock solid in difficult situations like coronavirus outbreak.